Hello, and welcome to my screencast presentation of my portfolio for our adult learning class. I use Screen-O-Matic to create the screencast. Here's my home page, a picture of me and my wife, my name, my professions. Up here at the top is the address, and I used Wix.com to create this site. Here's my About Me page, picture of me and my son, a short bio. Resume page. You can scroll through my resume here on the site if you wish, or if you want to download it, I have a PDF version available. If you need to get in contact with me, I have the contact page right here. My name, mailing address, email, phone number. You can also access my Twitter page, Instagram, YouTube. Now up here I have 3 sites dedicated to the 3 major assignments we had to do this semester. First is the AL attributes, or the Malcolm Knowles attributes of adult learning. And here are my 6 attribute maps. You can view them here, or if you want to download them, you can click on the image, download them. And at the bottom here is my screencast presentation tour of my maps. This page is dedicated to my tech tool assignment, which I did Basecamp. Basecamp is a project management web tool that is designed to increase productivity and communication between group members when working on a project. You can scroll through and read the rest of this here, or you can download it, and up here view the screencast presentation of Basecamp. Finally, here's my timeline. You can click on the image here, and it will take you to TimeToast. And here, you can click on the information that I provided in the timeline. You can check that out. Go back to the home page. And that is it. This concludes my presentation of my portfolio. I hope that you will visit my site. Thank you for watching and have a great day.